Russian forces pressed the attack in eastern Ukraine on Saturday, but failed to capture their three main objectives, the Ukrainian military said. Per the General Staff of Ukraine's armed forces, the Russians were attempting to capture the city of Lyman in the Donetsk Oblast and the cities of Sevyerodonetsk and Popasna in the Luhansk Oblast. The Pentagon said Russian forces are making only plodding progress in the face of intense Ukrainian resistance, the Washington Post reported. According to Reuters, Moscow said on Saturday its artillery units had struck 389 Ukrainian targets overnight.
We'll continue with the video, but first, hear why we choose to use Atlas VPN. Have you ever logged onto a public Wi-Fi network and gotten a creeping sense that someone is spying on your online activity? Well, maybe you weren't wrong. One of the ways to defend yourself is by using a VPN. We have tried several, and Warthog Defense strongly recommends Atlas. It's simple and easy to use. This is more than just a VPN, it blocks all the malicious links, ads, and trackers, and notifies you when someone is trying to steal your data. Get the best deals while shopping online, including subscriptions like Netflix or Spotify. You can even buy cheaper flight tickets dependent on the region, get better hotel deals, and avoid country internet blockades. Click our special link in the description and get access to Atlas VPN special deal with 82% off for all Warthog fans.
Artillery has played a major role on the Eastern Front, with some observers warning Ukraine may not have enough artillery rounds to keep pace with Russia's bombardment. Russia's ongoing campaign in the Donbas, which it launched after failing to take Kyiv, aims to capture territory in eastern and southern Ukraine. A Russian general said earlier this month that Russia hopes to establish land bridges connecting the eastern separatist republics to Crimea and Moldova, a goal that would require seizing virtually all of southern Ukraine. The largest obstacle separating Russian forces from the Moldovan border is the port city of Odessa. On Saturday, the Kyiv Independent reported Ukrainian police believe Russia has hired criminal gangs to plot provocations and riots in Odessa on May 2. In response, Odessa police have declared a curfew from the evening of May 1 till May 3. Numerically, Russia's military manpower vastly exceeds Ukraine's. In the days before the war began, Western intelligence estimated Russia had positioned near the border as many as 190,000 troops. Ukraine's standing military is about 200,000, spread throughout the country. In part because of the tenacity of the Ukrainian resistance, the US believes the Russians are at least several days behind where they wanted to be as they try to encircle Ukrainian troops in the east, said a senior US defense official who spoke on condition of anonymity to discuss the American military's assessment. With plenty of firepower still in reserve, Russia's promised offensive still could intensify and overrun the Ukrainians. Overall, the Russian army has an estimated 900,000 active duty personnel. Russia also has a much larger air force and navy than Ukraine. Hundreds of millions of dollars in military assistance has flowed into Ukraine since the war began, but Russia's vast armories mean Ukraine's needs are nearly inexhaustible. We need an unlimited number of weapons, Ukrainian Defense Ministry spokesman Colonel Alexander Matuzynik said.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.